PC building refers to the process of assembling individual computer components to create a customized personal computer, PC, tailored to specific needs and preferences. Building your own gaming PC allows you to choose high-quality components, customize specifications, and optimize performance for gaming and other computing tasks. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a novice enthusiast, building your own gaming PC can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. To build your own gaming PC, follow these steps and guidelines. Research and planning. Start by researching PC components, specifications, and compatibility requirements based on your budget, gaming preferences, and performance goals. Determine the type of games you want to play, the resolution and frame rates you aim to achieve, and any specific features or requirements you have for your gaming PC. Choose PC components. Select high-quality PC components for your gaming build, including a CPU, processor, GPU, graphics card, motherboard, RAM, memory, storage, SSD or HDD, power supply, PSU, case, and peripherals, keyboard, mouse, monitor. Choose components from reputable brands with good reviews and performance ratings to ensure reliability and compatibility. Prepare your workspace. Set up a clean, well-lit workspace with ample space to assemble your gaming PC components. Gather necessary tools and equipment, such as screwdrivers, cable ties, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap, to safely and effectively build your PC. Assemble PC components. Follow step-by-step guides, tutorials, or instructional videos to assemble your gaming PC components in the correct order. Install the CPU cooler, RAM, GPU, motherboard, storage drives, power supply, and case fans according to manufacturer instructions and best practices for PC building. Cable management. Organize and manage cables neatly inside your PC case to improve airflow, aesthetics, and system performance. Use cable ties, Velcro straps, or cable management channels to route cables and prevent clutter inside the case. Keep cables away from fans, components, and sharp edges to avoid interference or damage. Install operating system and drivers. Install your preferred operating system, such as Windows, Linux, or macOS, and necessary drivers for your PC components. Download and install the latest drivers for your motherboard, GPU, and other peripherals to ensure compatibility, stability, and optimal performance. Test and troubleshoot. Power on your gaming PC and perform initial tests to ensure that all components are functioning correctly. Check for any signs of overheating, abnormal noises, or hardware errors during the boot-up process. Monitor temperatures, voltages, and system stability using hardware monitoring tools or diagnostic software. Optimize and customize. Fine-tune your gaming PC settings, BIOS configurations, and software preferences to optimize performance, stability, and gaming experience. Install gaming software, utilities, and performance monitoring tools to customize graphics settings, overclock components, and monitor system performance during gaming sessions. By following these steps and building guidelines, you can successfully build your own gaming PC and create a customized gaming rig tailored to your preferences and performance requirements. Whether you're building a budget-friendly gaming PC or a high-end gaming powerhouse, building your own gaming PC allows you to unleash your creativity, optimize performance, and enjoy immersive gaming experiences on your terms.